You know, speech and language therapy is a funny old world because it really covers such a massive variety of topics. Speech therapists can work with such a range of communication styles, additional needs, different ages and stages across the lifespan. And my little corner of the speech therapy universe is in early years. I specialise in supporting children who are really at the very beginning of their communication journey. You know, they're really thinking about how to establish some of those foundations of communication, learning to pay attention to others, how to share space, how to get their message out there one way or another, whether it's words or other nonverbal aspects of communication. And here on YouTube, I often focus on giving you practical, bite-sized advice to get you started, trying out a different toy, thinking about a particular sound or a way to approach your play. But you know what? Beyond all of the toy suggestions and activity ideas, the thing that I really love about my corner of the speech therapy world is the opportunity to do parent coaching, to really establish some trust and empathy within that working relationship with the family, because so much of it is also about helping the family as a whole to better understand and communicate together. So with that in mind, I have noticed that it's really the conversations that I find most uplifting about my work. And so when I run my Toddler Talk parent groups, I love the conversations that we have informally on Zoom to talk about individual children and celebrate the progress together. And I've recently offered live workshops for speech and language therapists, my Heart and Spark workshop, again, to have those open conversations with therapists. We're in the business of communication and connection. And within my work, which is so much online, I'm always interested in how can we facilitate communication, improved communication for all of us, and improved connection. I ran a poll on my Instagram stories the other day asking fellow speech and language therapists if they ever felt isolated in their role, which arose from a question that someone had reached out to me on the DMs. And so many people said, yes, I do. And I think there is something about the nature of our work that can sometimes feel like we're all on our own doing it. And so when we have more of those open, honest conversations with parents, when we feel like we're really able to establish shared empathy and trust and honesty within our conversations with parents or early years practitioners, whoever we're working with, then I think that can make us feel less isolated, less alone in our work, because those conversations, those opportunities for connection are such a big part of what feels rewarding about our work and also most effective in what we do. If you're a speech and language therapist or an assistant, I'd like to invite you to come along and join me for my upcoming live workshop, Heart and Spark. We're going to look at the strategies that I use within my parent coaching sessions to develop those open relationships, develop those useful deep conversations, and approach supporting a child from a place of strength and celebration and impact. You can find out more about my upcoming workshop with the link below, so do check that out if you're at all interested, because within our work, I think we're all agreed that this is what we're aiming for. Improved communication, improved connection, not only with the child in front of us that we're helping, but also the wider family, the people around a child as well. So I really look forward to having more of those conversations with you as well, either in the comments or live at my workshop. I will see you there. Meanwhile, thanks for being here. Thanks for sticking around, listening in to some ideas for today, and until next time.